You probably toss out rotten fruit without thinking, but what if I told you it can do something compost simply can't? That mushy banana or forgotten apple isn't just trash, it's a secret weapon for your garden. Burying rotten fruit directly in your soil can unlock explosive plant growth and super-rich soil faster than compost ever could. This lazy fertilizer hack is one of the simplest, cheapest ways to boost soil life and feed your plants fast. Before you throw away another overripe fruit, let's uncover how it turns garbage into garden gold. Let's get our hands dirty and reveal the science behind this lazy gardener's secret weapon. Rotten fruit is a sugar bomb for soil microbes. When you bury it, you trigger a microbial feeding frenzy. Bacteria and fungi multiply rapidly, breaking down the fruit at lightning speed. This explosion of life generates heat, energy, and most importantly, humus, the dark, fertile material that makes soil rich. Normally, humus takes months to form in a compost pile, but with rotten fruit, the process is supercharged right at your plant's roots. Instead of just adding finished compost, you're building a living factory for soil fertility on the spot. The fruit acts as a catalyst, creating a hotspot of biological activity that finished compost can't match. It's like giving your soil the ingredients and recipe to cook up its own 5-star meal. That's the real magic of burying rotten fruit. Here's the payoff. Nutrients, fast. Rotten fruit releases potassium, phosphorus, and trace minerals almost instantly, right where your plants need them. Unlike slow-release fertilizers or compost, these nutrients are available on demand, fueling growth during critical stages. Burying fruit targets the root zone, so nothing goes to waste. Plus, fruits contain micronutrients like magnesium and calcium, giving your plants a complete, balanced diet. The result? Stronger, healthier plants and tastier harvests. It's a direct injection of nutrition, no waiting required. Earthworms love rotten fruit, it's their favorite treat. Burying fruit rings the dinner bell, drawing worms from all around. As they feast, worms tunnel through the soil, aerating it and improving water flow. Their castings, fresh, microbe-rich fertilizer, are left right where your plants can use them. Store-bought worm castings can't compare to the living, active castings made in your own garden. By baiting worms with fruit, you turn your garden into a self-sustaining worm farm. More worms mean healthier soil naturally. It's free, ongoing fertilizer, no extra work required. You might wonder, if I already compost, why bother with this? Compost is your garden's steady multivitamin, improving soil over time. Rotten fruit is a targeted energy shot, a quick boost for specific plants or struggling spots. Bury fruit under heavy feeders like tomatoes or peppers for an instant advantage. Compost builds long-term health. Fruit delivers rapid concentrated nutrients right where they're needed. Use both compost for the big picture, fruit for spot treatments. It's about working smarter, not harder. Save time, skip hauling compost, and let your kitchen waste do the heavy lifting. This is lazy gardening at its best. Next time you see a mushy banana or spoiled apple, remember, it's free fertilizer, not waste. Rotten fruit is the lazy gardener's secret weapon for a thriving, microbe-rich garden. It's a simple, powerful way to boost soil health and harvest with zero cost. Would you try burying rotten fruit instead of tossing it? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more lazy gardening hacks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gardening!